Boy, it's a girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here?
Yeah.
I care over there, with the bone in there, you see me?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So deal with it, you know?
Yeah. Deal with it.
Just relax yourself, man. I don't kill out things already. You don't need to force yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long and I'm just a command us. Buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something, so I think about them things, you see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need a support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never fall. But if you ain't charge me 80,000, order dollar.
I'm so far on them, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
I'm so far on them, man. No one not do on sir. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know, my son come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I got in my book. And kind of get a look at one piece, you know. I just feel emotional, love it, but
Yo, what, Papa?
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to hear this for me, here. Hear this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see people. I will give it.
Your mom up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bullying the shop. A she ain't give a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you can go on. Are you going to send the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. Make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You just say, girl, no want you. You know how long me see ya right, little send go by ya. I mean, never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know to say girl, you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there, so. Down there, so. Come up here, so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me my paper, give me my paper, give me my paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Popeye, come here. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Our mission to go deal with the number now.
You're not good for borrow. You're not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me done better look pan. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you're bully her?
Yeah, you don't go well live right on this up.
Yeah. And I decided they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. You're not good for borrow.
Must girl. Girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Guess I keep the party friend. Girl, me say I reach here Everly big bad yellow party. Breakfast party at that. But the thing now, I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus you give me. I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. I go come pick you up and we go to a party. I have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.